kami nag-uusap eh.
Wow!
Huwag na! Lagot ka, bro!
Uy!
Lagot.
Sabi niya, bili na! Okay. Siyempre yung likod. Yan! So, sino dito interested bumili ng shirt natin? We can wear it on the campus night and every day. Kayo bala, binili niyo yun eh.
Tama.
Coach, pwede ko ba ito isuot? Punta ako sa classroom. Wala ba? Pero mo yan. Okay na tayo? We're good. So, can I call on our mobile to help us to play some games? Don't worry, we will end by 8:30. Tapos mag-picture lang tayo siguro ng mga 8:20. Tapos pray natin din. Okay ba yan? So, Nico, can you help us lead the games? Nico is a grade 11, tama? Incoming grade 11. Incoming grade 11. So, si Nico ay isang public communicator and speech writer and singer dancer and pero hindi siya nang-ghost. Yeah.
Talaga.
Nico.
Hello, hi.
I got an address tonight.
Ano? Ano?
I gotta address this tonight. Y'all look excited because you guys are graduating. You guys are moving up. Whoa!
Sean! Sean!
Because of that, I want to hear you guys say, "Oh yeah!"
Sean!
Okay, I know we can go more energetic than that. Let me hear you guys say it again. 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah! That's what I'm talking about. Hey, okay guys, let's try this.
Sa'yo pahirap.
For those who are still stuck in the same grade and haven't finished and are still busy with the academics, I want to hear you guys say, "Oh no!" Okay guys, we're on the same boat together. So guys, you got this. You guys did your best and you guys are finishing your awesome studies before you finish this awesome school year. Alright, tonight is a celebration for all students. So with that said, who's ready to play a game? I want to hear it louder. Come on, who's ready to play a game? No.
Rekalma ka lang.
Woo! Okay. So this game is called Pinoy Henyo.
Pass. Pass! Pas ako dyan.
Alright, boys and girls, since all of us here in this room are Filipino, we gotta be familiar with this game. So first we got the winner.
Yuri, tayo.
Okay, so we're gonna have to.
Hindi, ikaw. Ako hula. Ay, hindi, ikaw hula.
So we're gonna have to
Ay,
improvise.
gusto mo ikaw hula.
So the mechanics of this game are simple. We're going to divide you guys into two, if that's correct. Okay, we're going to divide you guys, and then
Pat!
let's do 1, 2, 1, 2. Alright. Alright, so let's do the countdown. So we got here Adam. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Guys,
Hindi, kasi
your
1, 2,
number.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1.
1, 2, 1, 2.
Eh, sabi si Sean!
Next numbers. You're 9. No, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1. Last group. We got here 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2,
Puno.
2. Okay.
Askal.
Alright, lahat ng 1, we gotta move you guys here on the right. And for those number 2, you guys are gonna be on the left.
Hi guys.
Hoy, dito ka. Nagkita kita. Eh, nakita ko siya, dito ka.
Uno.
Dos ako eh.
Uno.
Hoy,
Yung mga
Sean, dito ka.
key leaders, yung nasa GC ng key leaders, kayo yung leader ng bawat group, ha? Kasi you know na, alam niyo yung pagkamilaan, okay? Parang ang dami yung one. Ano ba? Okay.
Sino na sa key leader GC? Ako dati. Hindi ko. Ha? Wala? Wala. One. I cannot play because I know the answers. So,
Puno.
Alright, so we need one representative and one guy or one girl who held that representative out by saying, oo, hindi, o maybe. Let's go.
Sana lang.
Yung key leaders natin, sino kasama dyan?
Ako lang hindi niya.
Talaga? Diyan kayo lahat ah. Ayun, dapat kayo dyan.
Kumpulan po
Jim,
sila.
doon ka na lang. Kay Patrick.
Oy, Master Jim.
So, kayong dalawa yung leader dito. Okay, so, ang sabi ni Nico, I'll translate ah. Sabi ni Nico, may isa lang kayong representative, tapos siya yung mamuhulan ng word, the rest, o hindi pwede. Gets? 1 minute, kaya 1 minute. Sige. 1 minute.
Magaling ka mga show.
2 minutes. Sige. Game ha. Okay na.
Sino balak yung Pinoy nyo dito? Like balak. Like magaling mag-narrow down. Magaling si Josh. Sino? Magaling ko. Bagay tao. Ayaw. Ayaw. Ayan, si Ben!
Pero iba-iba. Group 1, pwede ba medyo dito kayo? Yan, para nakatalikod sa team. Okay. Paunahan in under 2 minutes, okay? At tapos pa kayo, Joey. Punta pa kayo sa Yan, very good. Okay. Para may ng points after...
Ba't ako nandito?
Ayan. Okay. First to make 3 points. Okay. Ready, set, and present.